Can you believe that I made this dessert quickly and without the need of a special mold? So please subscribe my channel now, like and save it so you don't miss it. So let's quickly go make this delicious dessert. We mix a packet of red jelly powder with any flavor we like with a glass of boiling water and stir until the jelly particles are completely dissolved. When it is lukewarm, pour it into the blender along with a packet of cream and a few drops of red food coloring, which is optional, and mix together. Now we grease the desired container and pour the ingredients we mixed in the blender into the container. After pouring the dessert ingredients into the container, we put the container in the refrigerator until the dessert is fully sealed. Now we cut with a wet tool or knife. Then we put it in the container we want. I decorated here with coconut powder and strawberries. You can decorate your dessert with anything that was available to you. This dessert is a great option for those who have never made jelly or dessert because it is ready in a short time and requires few ingredients. I hope you make this dessert and enjoy its unique taste with your loved ones. Please like this video, save it and send it to your friends. Dear friend, who is watching this video, I will be happy if you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, because here you can become an expert in making cakes and sweets without an oven and without any trouble.